Pepe is absolutely ripping higher today, touching new all-time highs. Guys, I can feel it right now. The bull market is gearing up. These meme coins are running, and it is going to lead to massive, massive profits. It is going to lead to a lot of wealth generation. And we've got a lot on the horizon that we're going to be covering in this video. Not only is Pepe just soaring in value today, you know, this is a monthly gain right here of over a 100% increase, or about a 100% increase. You've got on the day, Pepe is up 14.34% today. And don't sleep on a 14% gain, because that is taking it above a $4 billion valuation. And when meme coins run, we're going to talk about some price potential in Pepe, and we're going to be talking about the Dogeverse pre-sale in this video, because these guys have raised over $15 million, and they absolutely should not be ignored, because there's even more money to be made over there. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and I'm going to talk just briefly about the price of Pepe. We're going to jump into that article, and then we're going to focus on the Dogeverse pre-sale in a second here, because if you guys want to make money, now is the time to make money in the cryptocurrency space. Pepe up an astonishing 14% on the day today, already dropping back down a little bit in price, so we know that it's got potential to run even higher. If you look at the 7-day, Pepe ripping up 20%. You look at the monthly chart, 95% gains. But this is where it gets beautiful. The Pepe all-time high being reached today. This is a huge indicator that meme coins are here to stay and meme coins are running. If you go out there and you Google some news articles about what is happening with Pepe right now, you can see that everybody excited about it, especially the whales. Guys, the whales are jumping in right now, and there's an upsurge in whale activity propping Pepe for 0.00013 in May. Yes! And it is looking so good with these gains, not only affecting just Pepe, but look across the meme coin world right now. Shiba Inu coin is up 10+%. Dogecoin is up 10+%. We are talking about billions of dollars in wealth created just over the last 24 hours in the meme coin sector alone. And I believe, I'm not going to go through this full article here, but I believe other meme coins will thrive as well, especially if something like Dogeverse gets launched and it coincides with the spectacular increase in these other meme coins. Because traders, they understand that, right? Traders understand that meme coins move together. And Dogeverse is special. It combines not only the best of the meme coin world with the fact that you've got this beautiful Shiba Inu dog right here that inspired everybody in Dogecoin, that inspired everybody with Shiba Inu coin, and so on. Dogeverse is going to grab the attention of the crowd, and that is evident in the fact that it has raised over $15 million. Now, a lot of news articles said that there was going to be a $17 million hard cap for Dogecoin, but I believe they're going to raise even more money than that. And they're going to be creating one of the biggest bridges that we have seen before. Now, if you guys are unsure what a bridge is, you can come out and you can check out D-Bridge. It is already up and running, and they make it very simple to move from the Binance blockchain over to Ethereum, or you can move over to Solana. You can move from blockchain to blockchain simply without the necessity of a centralized exchange. Dogeverse is setting up to do the exact same thing. It is a multi-bridge utility that utilizes superior bridging technology. Dogeverse is going to be able to seamlessly be multi-chain in just a few clicks with minuscule gas fees to worry about. Guys, it is the 6th most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. Now, let's just think about this for a second. I'm going to jump into the staking rewards and all of that in a second here. But let's think about this. If Shiba Inu coin is ripping up to new highs during this bull market peak, if Pepe is already hitting brand new highs and the bull market peak is not even here, if we're talking about meme coins hitting tens of billions, and in some cases maybe Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba Inu coin, and so on, potentially hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap valuation, meme coins like Dogeverse that capture the heart of the meme world, but also bring real world utility, could drive price is insane. Now, I'm not one that likes to go out and predict crazy high levels. I'm not one that goes out and says, this is going to rip 100x. But if we think about it for a second, if Dogeverse launches around a 10 million, I don't know, $15 million market cap, in order to 10x, you're simply talking about a $100 million market cap. A 100x increase would just be a $1 billion market cap. Now you're looking at Pepe right here. Pepe is currently sitting above $4 billion. Shiba Inu coin is in that $15 billion range. Dogecoin is in that $20 billion range. Why would Dogeverse not be able to reach something relatively close? Why would it not be able to reach something like $1 billion valuation during the peak of a bull market? Now, right now, if you guys utilize the affiliate link that's in the description below, you are going to pull up the correct website. You are going to have access to buy Dogeverse, and this could be your last chance to buy before the launch. All you have to do is simply connect your wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect and scan the QR code on the screen. You can do so however you wish. Simply type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend, or 62 Ethereum, right? I'm going to show you why 62 in Ethereum in a second here. Or you can simply type in the amount of Dogeverse that you would like to buy. You can buy with Ethereum, BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. You can claim on those blockchains as well. But take a look at this. If you thought the Pepe whales were jumping up and ready to act, the Dogeverse whales are as well. 62.3 Ethereum bought in a single transaction, and the whales continue to pour in. Guys, that's over $190,000 in a single buy. People are excited about Dogeverse, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. If this token does 10x, this whale right here, simply a $100 million market cap, depending on where it launches at, right? If it 10x's, this guy's going to be sitting on $1.9 million. If it 100x's, he's sitting on $19 million. And it just took one buy to do it. I am very excited about Dogeverse. I myself have bought in with what I consider a lot of money into the Dogeverse pre-sale here, and I have bought in for various reasons. Number one, the demand and how quickly this token is selling out. Number two, the actual real-world utility. And number three, meme coins are making a comeback. I am here to make some money. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are here to make some money as well. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.